Accessible Adam here again out in Camarillo at Carolyn Tyler's house. Here we've been doing this for 23 years and we're pretty good at what we do, but we do have to go to plan B sometimes. This is a perfect example of plan B. When we first installed this threshold ramp, we put in a rubber threshold ramp by the back patio door here. And I got a call a few weeks later from Carolyn who said, Adam, look, I love the stuff you did, but this threshold ramp is not working for us. I don't feel safe in my feet. I feel like I'm going to trip over it when I go into the house from the back patio to the kitchen. I said, no problem. Let's go to plan B and swap it out. So what we did is we ended up putting in a aluminum threshold ramp here that has a more flatter, smoother surface, and the edge, the leading edge, is not beveled like this one is here, so it's a little bit flatter and safer, and Carolyn's much happier, and you know, that's what we had to do, and that's what we have to do sometimes, you know. It's not rocket science, but we do have to think outside the box to come up with plan B solutions sometimes. Ask Accessible Adam, signing off.